Welcome to Programmers Hangout. In this video, we are going to discuss, can static method call a non-static method directly? The answer is no. Non-static method cannot be called directly from a static method. This is because static methods belong to a class, whereas a non-static method belong to its object. Now let us look at an example over here. We have a class student that has two static methods, main and getSchool, and a non-static method, getName. As I said, static methods belong to a class. Hence, it cannot have anything related to the instance of that class. Suppose, for example, we cannot use this keyword since this keyword represents the state of the object. So here in this example, if I try to use this and change the variable name to some other value, I get a compilation error saying cannot use this in a static context. Same way, I cannot use it inside this static method as well. But I can use it in this non-static method. Similarly, from a static main method, I can call another static method directly, but I cannot call a non-static method directly from a static method. But indirectly, I can create an object of the class student inside the static method, and using that object, I can call the non-static method. If you have found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.